inside the carriage. Just got to keep everything inside, guys. Now the kiln on my right, very close. Everything inside, please. Again everyone to Driving Creek Railway. This is the first of our viaducts we're crossing, first of 10 on our journey today. Bits of land all down to one man, Barry Brickle. Barry died 5 years ago. I'll tell you more about Driving Creek and Barry as we go up the hill today. Railway in the 1970s, just to get clay from the bottom of the hill to the pottery. Look on the right, see where we used to take some of the clay for our terracotta pots. Raventon was named after Barry's famous parties he used to have here when he was building the railway. Everything inside, please. Drunken pottery. As you can see, out in the Hauraki Gulf. We're now at Hokimai, which in Maori means keep returning, and is where the trains cross over.
Hi guys. Hello, 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 hello. 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 Guys, all right? Hi guys. Hello again, stranger. How are you? Good, how are you? Good.
Everything inside, please. You'll see the amazing artwork and the tiles and the bricks all handmade out of pottery.
Where's the sea, Jess?
Now these kauri on our left, they're up to 25 years old. We planted 9,000 kauri on our 60-acre block of land. And a stunning view across the Hauraki Gulf. That's Waiheke Island across the far side. Waiheke. This is the
skis or ramp.
He was a science teacher down at the local school.
But he didn't like the job, only lasted 2 terms, only did it because his father made him. But in the 1960s, Barry started the Coromandel Art Cooperative, and he would have artists and potters come to stay with him from all over. He used to have a little house down the road. So back in '73, Barry sold his house. He bought this 60-acre block of land, $8,500. All that was on it was a cowshed, close to where the station is now. And it was in the cowshed where Barry used to live and produce his pottery. He started to build the railway just to get the clay from the bottom of the hill, take it back to the cowshed pottery. Now the track should have been just 300 metres long, never meant to carry the paying public. But Barry kept laying the track, and in 1990, his local BNZ bank manager in town reminded Barry he had a bank loan and he wasn't paying it off. So it's the bank's idea, we open to the public, charge you $5, bring you up to the double-decker bridge. That was the end of the line back in '90. We carried 1,500 passengers in our first year, and last year, even with COVID, 50,000 passengers. Barry put the final piece of track down below us in 2001, and to celebrate, paid the bank off at the same time. Put him on the train, we brought him up here to the Eiffel Tower, Barry's last train journey. Then we took him back down the hill and we buried him next to the track. I'll point this out to you when we go down, and he was 80 when he died. Now that's just a brief history about Barry Brickell. If you've got any questions, please...
Taking a photo of you.
Possum train taking the zip liners up the hill. Now mind you don't bang your head when you get off the train. Enjoy the rest of your time in your holiday in Coromandel. Thank you.
Well, that's a curious place for a boat. This is Helen. She visits all of the local restaurants and butcher shop and gets fed by everyone, and they're not sure who she belongs to. Hello! And she'd much rather have food than pets.
Today. We will shortly be arriving at our destination. For your own safety, please remain seated. If standing, ensure you hold on to the handrails until the vessel is safely alongside. We also ask you to take a quick look around to ensure you have all your belongings. Please help the New Zealand COVID Tracer app QR codes and keep your mask on until you've disembarked. Thanks and ka kite anō.
I have had a beautiful stay out in the Coromandel. I think I'm pronouncing it correctly now. And look, yep, another new hat. I figured it matches with my blue jacket, and also, I mean, if I'm gonna look like a tourist, I'm gonna go big. I think I'm doing a grand old job on that. Yep, got a few stairs already. Anyway, so this I highly recommend if you come to New Zealand and you are in Auckland, that you go to the Coromandel. You can get here by driving to Thames, or you can take the ferry, which goes both ways, obviously. And you can, Whitianga's great road, 309, that windy, twisty road with the 4 stop-off points with the pigs and the waterfall and all that, and the waterworks. That was really fun. And this area is just stunningly beautiful. The hot pools beach, the rock formations, Cathedral Cove. I mean, there's so much to see and do here. Highly recommend it. As always, if you like this video, please remember to hit the like button, and also please subscribe to my channel if you are not yet a subscriber. And if you hit the bell after that, I think to the left of the subscribe button, you'll be notified when I release the next new video. And also check out my other playlists that might be of interest, things like how to afford full-time travel, and my series interviewing nomads who have also quit their job to travel the world full-time. You might enjoy both, and you might come to my website, heatherbegins.com, take a fun quiz, search around, and find some great information. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye.